Hello everybody and welcome back to another crypto video. And today, I have a lot of really fun things to show you. But before we get into any of that, I have a question for you all today, which is, are you actually in profit on your crypto right now? And this might sound like a very stupid question because of course you're in profit, huh? But I actually wonder if that many people are, or if some people are holding a bag they bought a long time ago on, for example, a coin like XRP, where they didn't really get the return that they expected. Or who bought ADA a couple of months ago and right now are down half of their money. Or maybe they bought Shiba at the top and right now are down also a significant portion. I just want to know. I think it's pretty interesting, pretty peculiar to watch this type of stuff because of how fast the crypto market moves, basically. I mean, if you ask me, the market has been pretty neutral but generally bullish here over the last couple of months. And I also keep claiming that it's pretty difficult to actually have lost money throughout the journey here. Then again, that's pretty hypocritical of me to say because, of course, I bought so ridiculously early into most of these cryptos that it's going to be hard for me to ever make a loss on anything here. And it's going to always be a little bit easier mentally than for most people who are buying in at these high prices. On the same page, if you just follow the rules which we set here on the channel of how to buy crypto and how to sell crypto, it should be pretty apparent that right now, if you're not in profit, it's either because you're very new to the channel or because I might have not explained my steps thoroughly enough. All right, never put the blame on you guys, as obviously I think I am capable to teach every single person watching here to become a millionaire. If I try to claim that and some people are at a loss right now, I have to do my job better. So I'm trying to give you guys the best tips and tricks which I possibly can, guys. I swear to you guys right now, I am trying the best of my abilities to give you guys all the tips and insights that I got and get to make sure you get some crazy returns on your investment. Why? Well, for a good part also because some of the people that I care a lot for are watching this right now and I want them to succeed. And again, if I'm telling them, why not tell you guys too? Because at the end of the day, we're all in this together. I keep sharing that with you guys. There's no benefit in me telling a friend about it, but not you guys. Why would I do that? What's the difference in all of us buying ADA or one of the 2 or 3 persons buying ADA? It's a freaking $65 billion market cap, $2.4 billion volume, us with a little, for example, hypothetically, right? Even if all of these guys were to do $1 million a piece, it's not going to make a dent in the price. Point being, I try to share as much as I can to hopefully get people to a new state of their life because I like to share that type of stuff. Now, having said that, what are we doing right now? What's going on and what am I thinking about? First of all, if you haven't joined the Telegram yet, join it right now. I'm going to share a lot of cool insights and tips in there that I'm not going to share on YouTube. For example, right now I am buying into, and I got to keep sharing this because it's happening right now. I'm buying into this CBX thing, but I'm also going to be buying into a couple of pre-sales, which I'll share on the channel. Hopefully from now forward, a little bit up front, right? With this pre-sale, I was just trying it out. This was one of the first ones of this sort that I did. There's a dedicated video on my channel about it. And I just explained to you guys that from now on, I'm going to try get you guys these sales a little bit sooner. Some people got angry in the comment section because of some reason, but again, guys, I'm just trying stuff out as well. I'm not perfect in that sense. I'm going to try, however, get as many of these sales to you guys as soon as possible because here's where the real money is made. It's not that difficult to actually enter. All it takes is a little bit of money. And so I will share whenever I find them. But that's the most important thing, which I'm doing in a couple of hours from now. Going to be buying into that if that's the way that it goes. I didn't actually read the full way to go about it just quite yet. But now you know, all right? That's exactly what we're going to do right now. Okay, before we move on here, guys, I want to quickly tell you, make sure you check out the link down below for Bybit. There's only a couple more days that the biggest bonus ever is available for new depositors. So if you want to be part of that, part of the JustWC team, check out the link down below for it. And as I've said before, it's not promotion. You can do whatever the frick you want, but it's worth it in the end of the day because you might want to try it out and try your luck. What if it goes amazing? You know, you might love it. You might love it. Also, I actually am buying a little bit more crypto right as we speak. Obviously, the buy target for me for XRP are $1.07 and $1.14, which we didn't hit just quite yet. And we also did not get the proper confirming candle, which I would have liked for XRP. Confirming candle would have looked like a very big green candle right here, which would have set ablaze a very nice bullish rally for XRP over the next couple of days. If it did, it didn't though. Bitcoin is retesting our little demand zone for Bitcoin, yet the complete altcoin market cap is still showing bullish signs, meaning if we're talking honestly, buying altcoins right now is still a very, very good choice if you ask me, not financial advice. Because everything is still poised in the right, or to go up. It's going in the right direction. Bitcoin is retesting, but it's not even making a crazy low or anything like that. You might put up a couple of different little analyses if you want. No, nothing really matters. Whatever you do, all fine. It didn't do anything just quite yet. You even might put up a little head and shoulder pattern here. I'm thinking about it now. You can even pull that out. We were finding a double top here for Bitcoin at about 63.1 thousand as well. That was just found. All good. Retesting, nothing crazy just quite yet. If you breach through about 58,000 though, we might have to change our minds a little bit, but that's not happening just quite yet. General consensus here tomorrow, there is a very big options expiry for Ethereum, which is going to arise some volatility potentially. I don't really believe in it too much, but that's what I'm kind of waiting for here. I'm still buying in though. That's the baseline. Ethereum is going to breach $5,000 not too long from now. Bitcoin most likely will set forth the bull run not too long from now. It's just about where to find the proper buy spots to get yourselves a good position. But obviously, I'm into the wrong account, I think. Oh yeah, I'm logged into the wrong account here. I'm on my sub account, I guess, maybe. Because you can, of course, make as many accounts as you want on one of these platforms like Bybit. A link is down below for the best bonuses. Right now, I am still trading Bitcoin and XRP as it currently stands, as I, keeping those positions open as I think it's about to go crazy. Now, having said that, because I don't want to spend too much time on the price talk, all I'm saying is I'm buying right now. When will I be selling? Not really soon, I guess. Not really soon. For XRP, I guess $1.25 would have been juicy, huh? It even hit $1.26 over on Binance. That is amazing. That's a good retest. That's good to have in our little session here, because this is a higher retest than we've seen in a pretty long while. Last time we saw that was the 7th of September. So it's been a couple of months since we saw that level. Very, very nice to see this come back in. When we first hit this $1.23 mark, I was a little bit skeptical because we hit that back in October 2. But this is a nice little retest of some older levels, which is just perfect. It shows that XRP is still very much alive. Oh yeah, but let's come back to the news, because in terms of price, I'm just buying right now. It's easy though. It's easy. I bought some extra Elrond gold because you guys kept spamming me about it. I'm trying to buy more into these metaverse coins. There's an entire video that I'm going to make about that coming out later today. I have it here, I think. Yeah, I'm going to make a video on that later today, just sharing with you guys what coins I'm buying and why and what they do a little bit. Buying, I think that's actually it that I've bought just now. The rest of my coins I bought November 1st, the majority of those. But yeah, whatever I'm sharing here, guys, do with it as you please. I try to give as much information as possible. Let's share some other stuff, right, that I have laying around. So I just saw this over on Twitter. This is all the evidence you will ever need as to why the Ethereum got a free pass from the SEC in the US. They registered Ethereum as a product in the US, which allowed them to skirt around the SEC and regulate it by the CFTC. So there's a very big discussion that Tig opened up here, which basically revolves around Ethereum having a different classification in the rankings, basically, than XRP has, in the way that the Ether product was basically registered. Now, the difficult part is I don't really know exactly what the rules are with this, and I'm going to need a little lawyer to come up and explain to me how this actually works in details. And I've tried to read through every single part of these posts. There's actually a freaking dozen or two posts that he has done. Yet I can't really pick apart what exactly is fact and what is his opinion on these matters, because you can of course read the properties of these things, but what exactly it means is not really sure to me. So I'm just going to say here, if you guys know more about the way that these patent type of things, or how can you call them, trademark type of things actually work, please let me know in the comment section or on Twitter. But I don't, and so I cannot see this as the proper guidelines or anything like that, because I'm not sure if it's actually that relevant where we can conclude something like this. I retweeted it because it's interesting, but I don't know if it's actually that much, canon or fact. I just saw this, which is very interesting. It is our two favorite guys, huh? Yeah, so we got Anthony right there on the left. We got ourselves Mr. Bitboy on the right. I gotta actually quickly open up this little video for y'all so I can actually show you guys the sound. Hopefully they're not gonna take it down. I don't think so though, right? It's peculiar. It's very interesting, and I enjoyed thoroughly to watch this, so hopefully you guys do too.
Saying Bitcoin is going to 20 million, Paul.
Hold on. No. See, that's a lie. 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 That's a lie.
Titles to get people to click on the videos.
That's a lie. That is a lie. That is a lie. I did not say that. I did not say that. That's a lie. I did not say that.
Your thumbnail did, Paul. My thumbnail said XRP to 589. Your thumbnail said Bitcoin to 20 million. What is the difference? There isn't one. There is not a difference, Paul. And you're out here trying to spin this and trying to make me look like an idiot when you're the one that's doing the exact same stuff. It's hypocritical. Saying Bitcoin is going to...
Yeah, that's pretty funny. I'm not sure if he actually did make one of these thumbnails. The two great prophecies, Bitcoin 20 million and XP 589. You know, I'm actually going to Google right now, or YouTube, Anthony Pompliano, 20 million. Let's see if he actually has a thumbnail like that. Yeah, 6 days ago. Bitcoin is going to $20 million a coin, Greg Foss. Okay, that is, yeah, it's officially his account, 300,000 followers, yeah. That's pretty funny. 6 days ago, Bitcoin is going to 20 million a coin. Greg Foss, 20 million in the freaking thumbnail. That is very interesting. And then 1 day ago, Anthony Pompliano calls out Bitboy Crypto. This is very interesting to me. Very interesting. I don't know what the discussion was about then, because where is it a lie? The reason it's a lie, by the way, is because he did not say it himself. He's actually talking about somebody else's opinion. And he is, in fact, wrong on that point. Where he is right is in the fact that you do use these prizes and whatnot as a title or a thumbnail because it sometimes attracts. Yet what I always do on the channel, and people hate me for it, is if we talk about the price of 589 inside the video, I sometimes title it that way because that's literally what we're talking about in the video. But people assume that because I say, is XRP going to 589? The people think all of a sudden that I have now put the prophecy for XRP to definitely go to 589 as a fact and is going to happen tomorrow. And so when it doesn't, people get angry. No. It's just the topic of the video. It's what we talk about. That's why it's the title, because that's the topic. Ooh, disk is almost full, huh? That's interesting. I might have to go and fix that then, I guess. I guess before the disk runs full and the recording gets corrupted again, because that happened a couple of times already. I'm already getting kind of afraid. I'll just let you guys off with this. XRP to 589, yes or no? Let me know in the comment section down below. Bitboy seems to think so because he put it in his videos. Anthony Pompliano, he didn't really give his opinion on it, but let me know in the comments down below if you think it's going to happen. And I have a new juicy title that I can put here. Oh, this is going to be amazing. I just saw Moon as well put this, how to make money with XRP, sell it and buy Bitcoin, which is kind of funny to me. Moon wasn't really excited when I told him about XRP either. And Blockchain Backer just showed this over on Twitter. How the SEC hurt XP investors. Well, yeah, that's definitely what their job is right now, huh? It's pretty interesting. All right, but hopefully the recording is fine. Hopefully it's not corrupted. We'll see.